What to expect in December ICAI Campus. Written test, GD, psychometric, face-to-face. Welcome to Candy Mentor. In this guide, we'll decode exactly what happens during the December ICAI Campus rounds. You'll understand every stage, from written tests to group discussions, psychometric rounds, and final face-to-face interviews. By the end, you'll know what to expect, how to prepare, and how to stay calm throughout the process. Written test, what it checks and how to prepare. Most companies, especially Big Four, large MNCs, and GCCs, start with a written assessment. This round checks 4 things: concepts, logic, speed, and calmness under pressure. What to expect. Accounting and INDAS basics, audit assertions, sampling, internal controls, GST and income tax fundamentals, simple caselets involving ratios or variance, logical reasoning, and data interpretation. Quick Excel-based thinking, no actual Excel, just logic. How to prepare. Start with your articleship learnings, revise INDS summaries, and practice 20 to 30 DI and reasoning questions. Focus on clarity, not long calculations. Most tests are 30 to 45 minutes, so time management is key. Tiny example. A question may say, revenue increased 25%, but gross margin dropped. What could be the reasons? They check your logic, not your maths. Group discussion, GD. What the panel looks for. Not every company conducts GDs, but many corporates, banks, and consulting teams still use them. The aim is simple: communication, structure, teamwork, and leadership presence. What to expect. Topics on economy, finance, business news, ethics or corporate governance situations. Case-based scenarios requiring discussion and decision. How to prepare. Speak calmly. Structure your thoughts with point 1, point 2. Do not dominate. Do not stay silent. Bring in examples, even small ones, to sound practical. How to stand out. Be the person who brings clarity, summarizes key points, and moves the group forward. Panels notice that more than loud voices. Psychometric test, what it really measures. Many CA freshers get nervous about this round, but it's actually straightforward. Psychometric tests check your personality fit, not your technical skills. What to expect. 80 to 120 questions. Forced choice answers, like agree, disagree. Traits such as teamwork, integrity, decision-making, stress handling. How to prepare. Don't overthink. Be consistent. If you say, I love teamwork in one answer, and I prefer working alone later, the system detects inconsistency. What interviewers check. They want stable, reliable, ethical professionals, not perfect personalities. Just answer honestly and consistently. Face-to-face interview, the final and most important round. This is where selection actually happens. Expect 2 conversations, 1 HR plus behavioral and 1 technical. What HR interviews check. Communication, maturity, team behavior, ownership and integrity, alignment with the firm's culture. Example question. Tell me about a time you handled a tough deadline. Use STAR. Situation, task, action, result. SURF. What technical interviews check. In-days clarity, audit or tax knowledge, articleship experience, problem-solving ability, tools like Excel, SAP, or analytics exposure. A typical audit question might be, how would you test revenue for a manufacturing client? They expect a structured, step-by-step answer, not memorized theory. How to prepare. Carry 5 to 6 solid examples from your articleship. Inventory count, revenue testing, GST reconciliations, internal controls, Excel automation. These examples form the backbone of your interview. What strong candidates do: speak slowly, clearly and confidently. Give examples, not textbook lines. Show impact. Even small improvements count. Ask thoughtful questions about role, clients, or learning opportunities. You now know what to expect in all 4 major rounds of the December ICAI Campus: written tests, GDs, psychometric assessments, and face-to-face interviews. Prepare with structure, practice with real examples, and enter the process with calm confidence. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore our other Candy Mentor content to sharpen your preparation even further. All the very best for your campus. You've got this.